of the Jack Refix.
So I'm here at Right Tech for welding. This is
my ass.
I don't know how well the helmet's gonna work or if it's gonna even be visible, but
let me try and get a couple scratch pieces.
yeah, sure. So Spencer's gonna be the one hitting the weld today, since I can't record and weld at the same time. I just do like a scrap piece of metal or whatever, you know?
How do you adjust your ISO on this camera?
Too many people be calling my phone, but I'll never be picking it up. Got everyone that I need in my circle, I'll never be going and switching it up. Rocking with the people who been following me when I never thought it would've happened, and I never got love. Now they wanna piggyback on everything I got, I never knew I'm from the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away, find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there and you gonna make me put you in your place. I'm trying to put my whole crew in a race, came a long way from that minimum wage. Funny how money be bringing out people who never remember the time that they paid. Count it up.
Yeah, that's so sick, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah, that looked really good.
Yeah!
Ah! My hair's getting burned. There we go. And there we go. So that was it for my welding clips. Dude, you can actually see the puddle and everything. Mr. set up a little rig for me to like see through, and it's like dark. And it's like he used it for his camera. It's pretty sick.
I asked Jorge. No.
I'll make you die in the fucking garbage.
Alright. See you guys.